What's up, you guys? It's your boy Tony. And let me tell you something, you guys, I am so excited about right now. Let me tell you why I'm so excited. Okay, so you all know that part of being a good artist, part of being a good singer is being able to be very versatile, being able to cross platforms, cross genres, and be able to, do different things that you normally would not do. That's normally not your style. And I have a very rock heavy background. People don't know that, but I do. So I am going to use my platform tonight for a very special treat for you guys. I have this friend that I have known for an extremely long time. He is an extremely talented artist, and when I say this man is an artiste, he is an artiste. But most of his music is rock music, and let me tell you, he's got a new album out on Reverb Nation, distributed by Reverb Nation with his band, Mellow Men. Yes, Mellow Men. His name is Brandon Barnes. Let me tell y'all something. This guy is awesome. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you guys my favorite song from his album. So, here's Mellow Men with Midnight Train is Slowing.
Much more